Advanced technology is obviously the wave of the future that is being reinvented every day. Our students are blessed to be on the front edge of this movement. They are learning how iPads work and are using and developing skills on a fluid scale.
One thing I particularly like about having iPads in the classroom is that my students actually like taking notes. In their general life, they're much more likely to type or to text, and now they can do that in science class as well.
I think one of the greatest things about the iPads is the fact that there's so much information right at their fingertips. When we're reading a novel and a name comes up or a term comes up, they can look it up right away.
Additionally, if I draw a diagram on the board, they are now able to take a picture of that diagram instead of trying to recreate it on their own.
I had students use the Dropbox app on their iPad for an art project which was totally done at home. I had students take a photograph of their project at home with their iPad camera and then upload it to Dropbox. I was able to see how far along students were on their project, and it also motivated the other students who were able to see how their classmates were doing on their project.
One app we are becoming acquainted with in English is Pages. Students are currently using the letter template in this app to write a letter of appreciation to a role model, teacher, coach, pastor, DCE, parent, or grandparent. This app provides them with the format and the engagement to create and write this letter from wherever they are.
And what we did with 8th grade pre-algebra class, we're doing drill and practice activities and collaborative work using just a handful of applications specifically built for the iPad. They would be Math Bingo, and then McGraw-Hill has an entire baseball multiplication app series that we use, and something called Math Fact Master, which reinforces all 4, addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. And students work on that in class and out of class. The iPad tool iStudies Pro, which is a paid app that's been downloaded for all of the kids. They now track their daily assignments in iStudies Pro. We have put textbooks into digital format for delivery on the iPad to pre-algebra students. We've connected them to 2 resources, Khan Academy and Discovery Education.
I see students who are better researchers. They're more able to think creatively. Our students have learned what it means to be more responsible, independent learners. In the algebra classroom, we frequently make use of the whiteboard app as well as the eClicker app. It's neat in my algebra class. I'm able to email kids or bump them assignments, and then I can send them a video to watch or to research at home, a topic to research. And so they're doing more of the passive learning at home, and then when they come to class the next day, we're able to do more of the active learning. The most exciting change overall with the iPads is that the information of the world is at their fingertips, and that's transforming.